everybody. So continuing the Walt Disney's travel poster series from the Ceaco books, which I haven't got anymore. Today we will look at New York and New York City. So we will have a look at them and then we'll talk about the image. Let's do it. New Orleans. I've never been there. I would love to go because I'm very curious about the food, yes, and the culture and all this. So it's very intriguing. But yeah, never been there by now. I don't know which building this is. Could this be this building? I don't know what it's called. On the corner where Mardi Gras or this very popular building, but it might be just a sun building because New Orleans just looks like that. And then we've got the two people here, and I don't know why she is taking her bird for a walk. And yes, that one was fun to do. And it was another one from the Walt's Plane Poster series from Ceaco. So, alright, and that was the New York puzzle from the Walt's Plane Poster series. That's pretty interesting. I'm pretty sure that I don't understand it properly. So, do you know what this is all about? So these, or is it just maybe it's just art and it's some iconography or iconography or something? But yeah, I do not understand this. So we've got New York, we've got the people, and we've got the globe and the lights, but I don't really know where to put this, but I really do like it. It's very beautiful. So that one was fun, and thank you for watching, and we will see us on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.